Students, this is 39th maths video. This is 39th maths video. So in this class, I continue solving type 3 problems. So let us take the problem. So let us go for taking. Prove that a minus b minus c to b to c to a b minus c minus a to c to a to b c minus a minus b is equal to a plus b plus c all cube. As usual, is it a type 1 problem? No. The answer is not 4abc, 4a square, b square, c square like that. Is this type 2 problem? No. Because this determinant does not contain 1, 1, 1. It must be type 3 problem. Type 3. If it is type 3 problem, tell me the operations to be used. Either R1 plus R2 plus R3 or C1 plus C2 plus C3. Before applying the operation, let us think R1 plus R2 plus R3. Look at this friends. R1, 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 R2, 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 R3, R3, R3. R1 plus R2 plus R3. A minus B minus C plus 2B plus 2C. That is A. 2B minus B plus 2C minus C. I am getting A plus B plus C. Clearly this factor, you can see this factor in your answer. This factor appears in our answer means this operation is correct. Operation which we are going to apply on that will be correct. Becomes correct, right? Okay. R, you see this. R1 plus R2 plus R3. 2A minus A. 2C minus C plus B. That means A plus B plus C. R1 plus R2 plus R3. 2A minus A, 2B minus B plus C. I am getting A plus B plus C. So right. So to solve most of the problems in type 3, we always use R1 plus R2 plus R3. Need not to crush your brains, right? Just use R1 plus R2 plus R3 and complete solving it. R1 plus R2 plus R3. Go for adding. A minus B, R1 plus R2 plus R3. Already I showed it. So how much we will get? A plus B plus C. If you have doubt, take them separately, add and take it back. R1 plus R2 plus R3, 2A minus A, 2C minus C, plus B, we have B also, that is A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. R1 plus R2 plus R3, you add all the three, 2A minus A, 2B minus B plus C, that is A plus B plus C. Write the remaining rows as it is. 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. We are getting common. We are getting common. Put the common outside. Take the common outside. A plus B plus C. That is 1. So write 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, 2C, C minus A minus A. Once we got 1, solving that is so easy because it is that belongs to type 2 problem. 1 means using C2 minus C1, C3 minus C1. If I use C2 minus C1, C3 minus C1, I am going to get 2 zeros. If I get 2 zeros, so then go for expanding that. On expanding, you will get the answer. Right. So tell me operations to be used for this. C2 minus C1. C2 minus C1. One more operation, C3 minus C1. So that is A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Write that C1 as it is 1 to B to C. 1 to B to C. C2 minus C1. 1 minus 1 0. 0. C2 minus C1. C2 minus C1. I calculate this separately. B minus C minus A. C2. This is C2 minus C1. Here is C1 minus 2B. Simplify that. Minus C minus A. B minus 2B minus B. Remove minus as common. If I remove minus as common, I will get A plus B plus C. Is that correct? C2 minus C1, 1 minus 1 0. C2 minus C1, B minus C minus A minus 2B. So here I calculated. Here I done that. So how much we are getting? Minus of A plus B plus C. Write that. Minus of A plus B plus C. Next C2 minus C1. C2, C1, 2C minus 2C, 0, 0, 0. Right. Next C3 minus C1, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 2B minus 2B, 0. Next C3 minus C1, C3 minus C1, calculate that. C minus A minus B, C3 minus C1 minus 2C minus 2C minus 2C. Simplify that. Minus A minus B. C minus 2C is minus C. Again, what is common? Minus common. Put that minus outside. A plus B plus C. Write that. Write that. I hope you understood. Minus of A plus B plus C. Minus of A plus B plus C. Now, we got two zeros. Two zeros. Determinant containing two zeros means expanding. Expanding is left. Expanding is left. You expand the determinant, so you will get the answer. It's so easy. Right? So A plus B plus C into 1 into no column. Use that first row, first column. Minus into minus plus. A plus B plus C whole square minus 0. Next 0 identity 0. 0 identity is 0. And tell me answer. A plus B plus C whole cube RHS. It's so easy. It's so easy. I hope you understood, students. Let's go for one more question of the same type. Let us solve one more question. Let us solve one more question. Prove that x plus y plus 2z, x, y, x, y, z, z, y plus z plus 2x, y, z, x, z, x, z plus x plus 2y is equal to 2 times x plus y plus z whole cube. Again, so same type problem. Same type problem. You observe this, student. You observe this LHS. You take LHS on that. LHS. What is LHS? LHS. I am taking LHS. You see this? Let us go for R1 plus R2 plus R3. Carefully observe. R1, 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 R2, 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 R3, 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 R1 plus R2 plus R3 x plus y plus 2z plus z plus z. Carefully observe this. R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 plus R2 plus R3. X plus y plus 2z plus z plus z. X plus y plus 4z. Is this correct? Is this operation correct? No, it's not correct. Because we don't have this factor. We don't have this factor in our answer. ನೀವು R1 plus R2 plus R3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತಪ್ಪು. So we must, whether it is R1 plus R2 plus R3 or C1 plus C2 plus C3, we must get a factor which should appear in our answer, which must be there in our answer. ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. Taking R1 plus R2 plus R3 is not correct, because for this operation I am getting this factor. This factor, it is not seen. This factor is not seen in our answer. I hope you understood this. That means this is not correct. So if it is not correct means I must use C1 plus C2 plus C3. I must use C1 plus C2 plus C3. I write directly. C1, 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 C2, 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 C3, C3, C3. C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 plus C2 plus C3. You add C1 plus C2 plus C3. X plus X 2x. Y plus Y 2y plus 2z. 2x plus 2y plus 2z. C1 plus C2 plus C3. Y plus Y 2y 2x. Z plus Z 2z. Again I am getting same thing. 2x plus 2y. 2x plus 2y plus 2z. C1 plus C2 plus C3. X plus X 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Write the remaining two columns as it is. X, y plus z plus 2x, x, y, z plus x plus 2y. Okay, students, we have a common in first column. Put that common outside. Put that common outside. This is not a determinant. So tell me common. 2 times x plus y plus z. Remaining 1, 1, 1. So next x, y plus z plus 2x. Next x. Next y, z plus x plus 2y. Okay, we got 1, 1, 1. Once this 1, 1, 1 is got, once we got that, so managing that is so easy. Just using R1 minus R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. R2 minus R1. Now you use R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. So write 2 times x plus y plus z into 1x y. 1xy. R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1, 0. You see this? Y plus z plus 2x minus x. How much is 2x minus x? X. So how much remains? X plus y plus z. Y plus z plus 2x minus x. 2x minus x is x. So x plus y plus z is remaining. You write that. X plus y plus z. Next come to this. Y minus y 0. Next R3 minus R1. 1 minus 1 0. X minus x 0. X minus x 0. Next z plus x plus 2y. Z plus x plus 2y. 2y minus y. Y. I am getting x plus y plus z. We got two zeros in the determinant. Once two zeros appears in our determinant, need not to worry, expand. For expanding, your expansion works, right? Expand it. So that is 2 times x plus y plus z, right? 1 into product x plus y plus z whole square, 0. Next, minus x into column 0 plus y into column row 0, right? So leave this 0 into anything is 0 into anything is 0. So how much is the answer? 2 times x plus y plus z whole cube. This is RHS. I hope you understood this neatly, students. So we shall discuss it. Okay, students. This is about your type 3 problems. Now let us have a discussion about general problems. We have some general problems. Those problems do not belongs to any of your types. General problems. First one. So prove that x, y, z, x square, y square, z square, zx, xy is equal to x minus y minus z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. Students, this type of problems, this type of general problems, your general techniques, your knowledge will not work. The only thing is you should have to practice. Unless you practice, you cannot attend these questions in your annual exam. Keep that in mind. Practicing, more practice required to get such problems. Right? Let us solve this. Take LHS. Practice general problems carefully. Okay. Now let us solve this generally. You go for operating R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. You operate R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. You will get it. Okay. Write that first one as it is. X square, y, z. I write the terms directly. Observe carefully. R2 minus R1, y minus x. Y square minus x square, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, y plus x into y minus x, y plus x into y minus x. Next, zx, R2 minus R1, zx minus yz, zx minus yz. What is common? Z. Remaining is x minus y. If you are not understanding, calculate separately and take. Zx minus yz, R2 minus R1, z common, x minus y. R3 minus R1, z minus x. Z square minus x square, z plus x into z minus x. R3 minus R1, xy minus yz, R3 minus R1. xy minus yz. What is common? Y common. Remaining is x minus z. Now you see, you observe R2 and R3. We have commons in that. We have commons in R2. What is common in R2? We have here y minus x, x minus y. For our answer, x minus y required or y minus x required? X minus y required. Remove that. X minus y has been removed. Next, in third row, we have x minus z, z minus x. For our answer, x minus z required or z minus x required? Z minus x it seems. A, B, x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. Remove that z minus x. Write the remaining. X square, y z. X square, y z. X minus y is removed. We removed x minus y from this. Here it is in reverse form. Reverse form. What should be done? What do you do when it is in reverse form? Write minus 1. Minus 1. Here it is in reversed form. Reversed. If terms are reversed, interchanged, you add a minus and take it out. Take it out. Take it out. Here it is y minus x, but x minus y has been removed. How do you make y minus x into x minus y? Just by removing minus. Minus of y plus x. We removed x minus y. Here we have x minus y itself. So tell me remaining z minus x is removed. So here also we have z minus x. Tell me how much is to be written? 1. Z minus x is removed. Z plus x. Here it is in reversed form. Reversed. The terms are reversed means I should add 1 minus 1. Okay student, we got 2 factors. Don't go for expanding this. Don't go for expanding. Expanding will not work because for our answer 2 more factors required. ಎರಡು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ 2 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬೇಕು. 1 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. 2 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ 1 more ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ R2 plus R3. Why I am using R2 plus R3 means I will get 1 0. At least if I get 1 0 in my determinant, that expansion becomes easy. If more zeros means, if determinant contains more zeros, expansion is also still easy, right? So if determinant contains more zeros, then expanding such determinants is so easy, right? I go for using this R2 plus R3, right? X minus y, z minus x, right? First one as it is x square, y z, R2 plus R3, minus 1 plus 1, 0. You add these two. R2 plus R3, minus y, minus x, minus y, minus x, plus z, plus x. X get cancels. Tell me remaining z minus y. Next, R2 plus R3, z minus y. You write that R3 as it is 1 z plus x minus y. So students, we have common from R2. Common is appearing in R2. What is that common? Z minus y. Is that z minus y required or y minus z required? I think y minus z. You reverse it and put it outside. Y minus z, x minus y, z minus x. For our answer, we need y minus z. Remove that y minus z. Right, tell me remaining. X square, y z, 0. Y minus z is being removed, but here we have z minus y. It is in reverse form. If it is in reverse form means I should add one extra minus. Minus 1, 1 z plus x minus y. Now you expand this determinant to get that last factor, students. You expand that to get last factor. So let us that You expand this determinant, you will get the required factor. Let us go for that. So x minus y minus z minus x into x into you that row column. Tell me y minus into minus plus y into 1 1. After this multiplication, we write 1 minus that minus, and already we have one more minus. Minus into minus plus y plus z plus x. Next minus x square into minus x square into column row 0 minus into minus plus 1. Next plus yz into column row 0 plus 1. Simplify this, students, you will get the answer. X minus y minus z minus x into multiply by x into y xy plus x into z x into x square minus x square plus yz x square get cancels. You see this, student, we got xy plus yz plus zx. This is RHS. Proving this problem is over. We shall meet in the next class. Okay, thank you, students.